Сайн байцгаана уу? Монголоор агшин байна. За, Summer Adventures гэсэн хуваарийн дагуу явагдаж байгаа 3 дугаар ангийн математикийн хичээл. Day 2. За, ингээд өнөөдөр 2 дахь өдрийнхөө 2 дахь хичээлийг үзье. За, энэ хичээл бол balance addition equations up to 2 digits гэсэн байна. За, 2 оронтой тоо ашигласан тийм нэмэгт үйлдэлийн тэгшдэглийг тэнцвэржүүлэх нэ. Which number makes the equation true? Alright. За энэ мэдтгүй байхгүй байгаа тоонд хэдийн тоог тавих юм бол энэ тэгштгэл үнэн болох вэ? Үнэн зөв болох вэ гэж байна. За тэгэхээр тэгштгэл болгон тэнцвүүгийн тэмдэгтэй байна. Тэнцвүүгийн тэмдгийн хоёр тал хоёулаа яг тэнцвүү байх хэрэгтэй. За 3-тай тэнцэнэ. 3 дээр нэгийг нэмэх юм бол нөгөө талд нь дахиад 3 дээр нэгийг нэмэх хэрэгтэй. Яагаад тэгэхээр энэ тэнцвэр нь алдагдахгүй гэсэн үг. За юу гэсэн үг вэ гэхээр зэрэг хэрвээ 3-тай тэнцдэг гэсэн бол би 3 дээрээ нэгийг нэмэх юм бол нөгөө талд нь байгаа 3 дээрээ би ахаад нэгийг нэмэх хэрэгтэй гэсэн үг. Яагаад гэхээр хоёр тал тэнцвүү байх хэрэгтэй. Хэрвээ би нэгийг нэмэхгүй хоёрыг нэмчихвэл энэ тал нь 4 болоод нөгөө тал нь 5 болох нь. За 4-5-тай тэнцэх үү? Үгүй ээ. Ингээд тэнцвэр алдагдлаа гэсэн үг. За энэ өгөгдсөн бодлого дээр буцаад очие. За which number makes the equation true? За тэр мэддэхгүй байгаа тоог олохын тулд яах вэ? За харъя. Маш олон стратеги буюу бодлогоор хувилбар бол энэ мэддэхгүй байгаа тоогоо олж болно. За 3 дугаар ангийн төвшин дээр бол зөвхөн number sense буюу тооныхоо холбоо, уялдаа холбоог ашиглах хэрэгтэй. За 21, 22 гэсэн хоёр тоо байна. 22, 21 хоёрын хооронд ямар ялгаа байна вэ? 22 нь 21-ээсээ нэгээр илүү. Тийм үү? За энэ хоёрыг тэнцвүү болгохын тулд би энэтэй тал дээр нэгийг нэмэх хэрэгтэй болно. За нөгөө талд ямар тоог ахаад нэмсэн байна? Бид нар 2-ыг нэмж байгаа. Би аль хэзээ энэ 2-ыг нэмж агаад 22-той тэнцвүүлсэн бол 22 дээр 2-ыг нэмж яхад би ахаад 2-ыг нэмэх хэрэгтэй болно. За ингээд энэ 2 нэмэгдэхүүнийг нийлүүлээд үзэхээр би хэдтэй болох вэ? Нийтдээ 3-ыг зүүн тал дээр нэмжээж энэ тэгштгэл маань тэнцвүү болно гэсэн үг. За хариулаад үзье. Okay, super. Which number makes the equation true? Okay, so there is that unknown number here. And then that number is being added or increased by 4. This side, we only have 2 here. So in order to make these 2 come up to 4, I will have 2 more. And in the place of 11, I will have 11 more. So in total, I have 11 and a 2 together. I will increase the left side by 13. 11 plus 2 is 13. Okay, now we have again 2 numbers being added. My first number here is 20. If I want to make sure this unknown number is going to equal my first addend, that will be increasing it by 20. But then I have another number here. That's 8. But the other side is only being increased by 3. So if I want to have 3 and 8 to be equal, I will add 5 more on this side. And in total, I will have 20 plus 5. This side needs to increase by 25. So my missing number is 25. And that will make the equation balanced. Again, which number makes the equation true? Now my missing number here, that's my second addend. This one is the second addend as well. So in order to make these two balanced, I will add 6 on this side. But then my first addend here is 11 and this one is 14. This side already has more. That means I will decrease this by 3 to make it equal to 11. Now I have 6 minus 3. That will be, I had it increased by 6. Now I'm going to decrease it by 3. That will be 3. And my missing number is 3. Okay, now let's approach this one with a different strategy. Now, on this side, I have two numbers, two addends that are already known. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. And on the other side, I have one addend, which is 11, plus something. So in order to make both sides equal, balanced, these two needs to come up to 13. So I have my number line. This is 11, and I have 12, 13, 14. All right, so starting from 11 to go to 13, which we want to have 13 balanced. How many times did I jump? I jumped 1, 2 times. So if I increase this side by 2, I will have my equation balanced. Let's do the same strategy. This side, 25 plus 2. So I have 25 plus 2. And 5 plus 2 is 7. And here is what? A 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. So on this side, I have 27. On the other side, I have some number plus 5. So let's go ahead and make that number line. Let's make it small this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. All right, so we want to start from 5, and then we want to end at 27. So by how much do I need to increase to get to 27? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2. So I increased it by 22 times. That means my missing number is 22 in order to make it balanced. All right. So number lines, helpful. But if you're working with the bigger values, 2-digit numbers, keep on drawing number lines and counting your jumps, it gets tricky. It gets too long and redundant. So let's see another strategy. So which number makes the equation true? Again, on this side, we know both numbers. Let's go ahead and find the total. 68 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry over 1. Now there's a 0 there. 6 plus 0 is 6. With the carryover 1, that will make it 70. So total of 73. And on the other side, I have a known number, 65 plus. So we know something called the opposite, right? So how can we do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division? All right. Addition and subtraction are the opposites of each other. In other words, we call it inverse. Inverse. And multiplication and division are the opposites of each other. In other words, they are also inverse of each other. Okay, so if you're looking for 65 plus a number equals 73, so you are going to start with the bigger value, which is 73, and you are going to inverse that addition here into subtraction. We will subtract the known number. What do we know? We know 65. All right. Now, 5 cannot be taken out of 3, so we will borrow and rename. We'll borrow from 7, that will become 6, and this 3 will become 13. All right, 13 minus 5 is 8, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So my missing number here is 8. If I increase 65 by 8, I will get 73. And my missing number here is 8. All right, which number makes the equation true? Same thing, 14 plus 1 is 15. Now I have 11 plus a number equals 15. So I will start with my bigger number, which is 15, and I will inverse, or the opposite of the addition, which is subtraction. Subtract the known number here, which is 11. All right, so 15 minus 11 here is 4, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and my missing number is 4. Which number makes the equation true? Let's do the same. 66 plus 6 is 72. And I have 72 equals 71 plus a number. Oh, this is an easy one. 71 increased by 1 will make it 72. All right, one more will make this equation true. All right. 24 plus 8. 24 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry over 1. And there is a 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. With the carryover 1, it is 3. Now, on this side, I have 32 equals a number and plus 4. Now, let's do the same thing. Inverse, which is the opposite operation. Now, start with the bigger number, 32. And inverse, the opposite of addition is subtraction. And I will subtract the known number, which is 4 here. All right, I can't take 4 out of 2, so I will borrow from tens here. Borrow and rename it as 2, and this one will become 12. Now, 12 minus 4 is 8, and 2 minus 0 is 2. Now, my missing number there is 28. Oops, what happened? 28. There you go. Which number makes the equation true? So let's do the same. 57 plus 30. All right, 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. So I have 87 equals what? Number plus 13. Now we are going to do the same strategy. Start with the bigger number and do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction, and subtract the known number, which is 13 there. Now 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 1 is 7. And my missing number there is 74. Okay, 11 plus 11, that's an easy one. All right, that's 22. We have 22 equals 12 plus a number. So let's start with the bigger number, 22. Do the opposite of the addition there, which is subtraction, and subtract the known number, 12. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my missing number there is 10. Here we have 33 plus 57. 3 plus 7 is 10. Carry over 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. With the carry over 1 is 9. So I have 90 equals 68 plus a number. So again, let's do the same thing. Start with that bigger number. Do the opposite of the addition. Subtract the known number, which is 68. All right, I can't take 8 out of 0, so I will borrow and rename it. And this one will become 10. Now, 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So my missing number is 22. Okay, here. 28 plus 20. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. Now I have an equation that looks like this. 48 equals a number plus 33. Now let's go ahead and find that missing number. We'll start with the bigger number here, which is 48. And we are going to do the opposite of that addition, which is subtraction. Subtract that known number, which is 33. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. And my missing number is 15. Which number makes the equation true? All right. 10 more than a 79 is 89. All right. My equation right now is 89 equals 13 plus a number. So what do? We will start with that bigger number, which is 89. Do the opposite of the addition. Subtract the known number, 13 here. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 1, 7. My missing number is 76. Which number makes the equation true? Let's do that again. 17 plus 16. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry over 1. Now I have 1 plus 1 is 2. With the carryover 1 would make it 3. So my new equation here is what? 33 equals a number plus 15. Okay, so we'll start with this bigger number, 33, and we'll do the opposite of addition and subtract that known number. All right, we can't take 5 out of 3, so we will borrow and rename. This will become 2, that will become 13. Now 13 minus 5 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1. Our missing number here is 18. Oops, 18. There you go. All right, I have 13 plus 82. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 8 is 9. Now I have an equation that looks like this. A number plus 65 is 95. So I will do the same. Start with that bigger number, 95. Do the opposite of the addition. Subtract that known number is 65 here. 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. So my missing number is 30. All right, let's take a look at this. I have 55 plus 23. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. All right, so my equation right now, it looks like a number plus 31 equals 78. And I will do the same. Start with that bigger number, 78. Oops, let me write it nicer. All right, 78. And I will do the opposite of that addition. Subtract that known number. It is 31. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So my missing number is 47. Almost done here. Okay, so 40 plus 18, that is 58. And my new equation here is a number plus 44 is 58. So I will start with that bigger number, 58. Do the opposite. Subtract that known number. All right, this is 4 and a 1. My missing number is 14. All right, now we are entering the challenge zone. All right, now we have 90 plus 96. This will be 6. 9 plus 9 is 18. So our equation now looks like what? 186 equals a number plus 95. Don't worry, even the numbers are bigger, we'll do the same. We'll start with that bigger number, which is 186. Do the opposite of the addition. Subtract that. Known number, 95. All right, 6 minus 5 is 1. I can't take 9 out of 8, so I will borrow and rename. This one will become 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Now my missing number is 91. Okay, I have 86 plus 75. This will be 11, carry over 1. 8 plus 7 is 15. With the carryover 1, it is 16. So my equation right now is a number plus 80 equals 161. Now I will do the same thing. Starts with the bigger number and do the opposite of the addition and subtract that known number. All right, 1 plus 0 is 1, and I can't take 8 out of 6, so I will borrow and rename it. This will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. All right, so my missing number here is 81. All right, here, 22 plus 83. It is 5. 2 plus 8 is 10. Now my equation is 12 plus a number equals 105. So I will start with that bigger number and do the opposite of the addition and subtract that 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. I can't take 1 out of 0, so I will borrow and rename it. That will become 10 minus 1 is 9. So my missing number is 93. Now we have 71 plus 67. Oops. And this is 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. My equation now is 59 plus a number equals 138. And I will start with that bigger number. Do the opposite of that addition. Subtract that known number, 59. All right, so can't take 9 out of 8. Borrow and rename. That will become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Again, I can't take 5 out of 2. So I will borrow from here and rename it. This will become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So my missing number here is 79. All right, we have one more left. Oh, it's easy one. So 30 plus 12 is 42 equals a number plus 31. So that's our equation right now. So I will start with this bigger number, 42, and do the opposite of the addition, which is subtraction. Subtract that known number, 31. That will be 1 and 1. So my missing number here is 11. All right, that is it. Keep up the good work.